How to naturally treat sinusitis. Sinusitis is one of the most common illnesses affecting thousands of people throughout the world. It is annoying, tiresome, and in almost all cases, misdiagnosed by doctors, which is why it is never completely cured. The good news is that there are ways to naturally treat sinusitis that can help you say goodbye to this tedious problem and in turn, rest, smell and breathe infinitely better. What is there to know about sinusitis? In regards to traditional medicine, one needs to accept that the doctor will prescribe you antibiotics, decongestants, analgesic, or antihistamines. In some cases, they might even perform nasal surgery to make the nasal passages disappear. But going to that extreme may not be so necessary. It's better to know what your possibilities are. The most common symptoms of sinusitis are headache, constant nasal drip, sinus pain, fever, halitosis, red nose, fatigue, eye or teeth pain, feeling like your face is inflamed, watery eyes, general malaise, bloody nose, cough, lack of sense of smell, stuffy nose, pain while chewing or swallowing, dysphonia or aphonia. How to prevent sinusitis. In addition to opting for home remedies for sinusitis, there are some interesting life habits that you could change in your daily life, that would be worth putting into practice. For example, use humidifiers in your rooms or ventilate the house, with open windows, and eliminate all the dust. This will help prevent attacks because the vast majority of bacteria that cause this illness do not withstand dry nor clean climates. You can also decongest your nose by using water vapor with eucalyptus leaves, either with machines that are designed specifically for this, or by boiling them in a pot and inhaling the steam. Some individuals choose to open the bath with hot water, close the bathroom door, and sit down to breathe the steam in, or they do this while showering. Another alternative would be to moisten a towel with hot water and place it over your face. Be careful not to burn yourself. If you're searching for quick relief for sinusitis symptoms, apply eucalyptus oil with hot water, and apply it to the arch of your brow or your cheekbones. Good body temperature will also help, being careful that you don't have a fever, nor that you're too cold. Always avoid anything that is irritating, like cleaning products, cigarette smoke, strong perfumes, hairspray, or any other element that releases vapor. Natural remedies for sinusitis. Keep the following list in mind, which contains the best natural remedies to effectively and for preventing them from appearing for quite some time. Eucalyptus is perfect for reducing inflammation in the paranasal temples, while simultaneously evacuating excess mucus. Boil 1 handful of eucalyptus leaves and breathe into steam, placing your head over the pot and covering with a towel or cloth. Hollyhock has bactericide properties and is used to eliminate microorganisms that cause sinusitis. Prepare an infusion with 1 tablespoon of hollyhock flowers in 1 cup of water. Boil for 10 minutes. consume up to 4 cups a day. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This makes it great for two things. On one hand, it reduces inflammation in the paranasal sinuses, and on the other hand, it eliminates the germs that cause the inflammation. Dilute a few drops of chamomile essential oil in a few liters of water, and then breathe it in a few times. Echinacea helps strengthen the immune system. You can buy it as a dietary supplement and consume 1,000 milligrams a day, in 5 different doses. Cat's claw. This herb is also good for promoting immunity, so that bacteria and viruses can't enter the body. Drink a few cups of this infusion, which can be prepared by boiling 1 tablespoon of this plant, dried, in 1 cup of water. Boil for 10 minutes. You can also take this as a supplement. Agrimony is an excellent remedy for treating sinusitis. Pour 60 drops of agrimony extract into 1 liter of water. Absorb the liquid into your nose until it reaches your mouth, then spit it out. Do not swallow. Ginger root has a lot of advantages for the body, related to the immune system. Make an infusion with 1 teaspoon of dried ginger root in 1 cup of water, and drink 2 cups a day. If you want to, you could also add lemon juice to make the effects more potent. Lemon has a lot of antibacterial components, and if consumed warm, as a tea, it helps loosen the paranasal sinuses and will lower your fever simultaneously. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to a lemon infusion to improve results, or as previously said, add ginger. Cypress. The leaves from a cypress tree are great for reducing inflammation in the paranasal sinuses and for helping eliminate excess mucus. You need to make steam with hot water and 10 drops of cypress essential oil. Juniper has expectorant, antiseptic, and antispasmodic properties. It is a good option for any respiratory illness, among which, sinusitis. Make an infusion with 1 tablespoon of juniper berries, and boil in water for 15 minutes. Drink throughout the day, sweetened with honey. Pine. Inhale steam from warm water and pine essential oil, or tree branches. This is a great idea for reducing paranasal sinus inflammation.